Alright, ladies and gents, welcome back. Appreciate you guys clicking on the video. Today we're doing something a little different. We're doing a wash video. So, complete detail on the S4, and today we're going to do the full thing, and we're going to wash it together. So, the way I do a maintenance wash with a ceramic coated car is pretty simple. Start with the wheels, just hit it with the wheel cleaner. We're using products from Evil Care today. So full disclosure, this is a company that a friend owns. It's rebranded from Synergized Car Care. These are some of the best products in the world, and I'm not even joking. I have used all of them. I've used the big names, I've used the small names, I've used ones from retailers, AutoZone. It is night and day, like the difference between actual good products and the ones that you just get from AutoZone. It's wild. So if you're not investing in anything, you should invest in ceramic coating first, and then for maintenance washes, some good products. So with the wheels first, obviously hit tires, and then the wheels, spokes, barrel with the barrel brush, and then the face with the face brush. Now, having a ceramic coated car is so easy because using a pressure washer literally does like 80 to 90% of the work. So all I do first is spray the entire surface. It gets all the dirt, road grime off. If you have water spots, it takes care of those because it is self-cleaning. And then I just go from top to bottom. So it's really easy. Like I said, there was just a couple days that I drove this in the wet, so it did pick up some water spots and some dirt. But look at that. I mean, on the window, are you kidding me? It just makes it so easy, and then as you can see, it just beads up perfectly, and then it does sheet a little bit, so it has that water repelling properties. And then the front quarter panel and the hood of my car are fully PPF'd, which is like an 8mm thick protective layer. And then with the springtime in Michigan, the iron remover is probably the most important and satisfying, I will say, portion of the wash. So I use the Turtle Wax iron remover because Evil Care did not have an iron remover in their arsenal that they sent me. So this was the next best option. I've used this like 3 times. It does run out quickly. So if you use it once, you're using like a third of the bottle. So it only lasts like 3 washes, but I only do the iron remover like once every 6 months. Now this is the satisfying part of the iron remover. As you can see, it bleeds really, really heavy with each individual little orange spot. This is the iron that picks up off road surfaces, from brake dust, from dirt, debris. It just sticks on there, and with a white car especially, you can see it. And it's like bright orange, tiny little specks, so it's a really important part of the wash process. Like I said, I do this once every like 6 months, and it seems to work for me, but it is one of those where you just lay it on heavy, and then like 90 to 120 seconds, it starts bleeding really bad. And then what you can do after that is either clay bar it or hit it with the foam cannon, and that is what I chose to do here. One other thing I'll mention is this car wash foam is so dang good in the foam cannon. And if you guys are familiar with my setup, I have a $14 foam cannon I got off Amazon. So it's by no means special at all. I will contribute most of this to the actual product itself. It lays on so thick, and as you can see here, I sprayed it on just really to show you guys how thick it is. It foams up like a shaving cream almost, which is super impressive. And then after that, we just do a full soft touch hand wash, and then rinse all the way from top to bottom again. One other thing that is super impressive with ceramic coated cars is the fact that you can actually just use an electric leaf blower and get 90% of the water off the car. So with the water beating properties, as you can see on the window, it just whisks away super easy. This speeds up the drying process, I would say probably 80%. I've actually never used a drying towel on this car. I've only ever dried it this way with the Ego leaf blower, and then I use the ceramic detail spray with a microfiber towel. I show that a little later on in the video after I pull it. So like I mentioned, the SiO2 detail spray is 100% my favorite product from this line. I used this before it was branded as Evil Care when it was Synergized Car Care. So you see me actually using my old bottle. I bought 2 gallons of this stuff because I love it that much. I turned all my friends onto this product. This stuff rips. The hydrophobic properties, I do it every single maintenance wash, and it keeps this like it was ceramic coated 2 days ago. Moving on from that, we have a tire shine, which I was curious to try out because I really like the Adams tire shine. Again, I said I didn't want to like downplay or talk bad about any brands, but this, I was like, how shiny can we get it? I just laid it on really thick, and then what I did afterwards is I actually flipped the towel around and kind of buffed it off, and it just had that perfect matte, like brand new rubber finish, which I like. So that's the flavor I like my tire shine. Well, this is a little different style video, kind of did more voiceover, more chill kind of vibe. The car is finally clean. If you guys are watching this on Sunday, it is my birthday. So that was kind of a little birthday gift to myself. Full clean and detail of the car. Got the products up and looking nice. The one thing I still want to do, which I said I was gonna start last year but never did, is do the pressure washer setup right in this corner. That, I think, is a springtime project that I need to start. But the car is looking so clean. It literally sat out in the rain, an afternoon full of rain, and then drove on wet roads, and it looks immaculate. It looks no water spots and nothing. You like ceramic coat your stuff, guys. If that's not your sign, it should be. Sometimes I love a good detail, man. It was like 50 degrees when I did that, but it is now 70 degrees on Saturday. Beautiful day to come out and clean the car. And now I've just kind of been chilling, admiring it. I did take it to the gas station, get some glamour shots in 4K for mostly short form content, but dude, 4K, you can crop that. Oh, it looks so freaking good. After that little debacle with getting the wheels off and the summer wheels on, made me realize how much I like this car. Again, it just, like, you re-fall in love with it every time. I swear, when the wheels are on, I'm a different person. It's in such a good way. I don't know how to explain it other than that. I want to do a full review on this car. Maybe I won't do it myself. Maybe I'll recruit somebody else to do who's a car person, or maybe somebody that doesn't really have a benchmark for fast cars. We'll see. I've got some stuff planned, but that'll be for the near future. All I want for my birthday is for you to like the video, share it with a friend. Appreciate you guys watching. It's feeling like summer, or at least springtime, being 70 here. So cheers. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next one, we will see ya.